Nirmala kenyam biya kamal ka Nua TV. Enda manduni chan kwasnyak nong ye rochame kejan gwasame bana tin kon lat korodian bana keling. Kan kono niam re ler titi de kon keling ti gorjen ojin de channel de support de notification bell de twine ka de duor gor pin ba ka kor kemichelar chijaling bana jawme bana jaling. Ler balin gwasame kwi nyam tode me ano betur nga baga nyoga yekel ano dio je shiri udun ngwani ken juk gwa bana mendan le ro ban jangach ano ramakan nyama kan jangach gor jeno ba jangach betur radien ba ba nyok mu nyoga ye ke yekel ka betur mu radien ba ba nyok mu nyoga je ke yekel. Okay, tournament ke tournament. Okay, tournament ni alane ti nyoga yekel ni shika garame gwi koname no kana nyamo tani al gwatamo gorjeno biya turin ken biya gwi michet ka wal chicken chat so de kon manan tane kon chat ken wal chicken chat min jini gwi so chana tura nyamo minong teka bu kon nyamba nyinong teka bu kon ngamen gwi michet ken. Okay face ni ken te kedi jirama gwi kamo gwi kedi ntama kan dangro. Mi kon non kon demand me. Let's simply zoom in here and we can see that. Okay, now she contour ni chana ganen ano ka she contour me chana ganen ke tourne mene bakulo jok ko bana kula right. Okay, nyame she je ladno jen jenen war mi sha kwal ki mi sha page ne karon kin dangaraw wi de bakel tega jom chalat gwasa me netin confidential ke GPAA mugorno ba bakola ladia ano ko nyama jenche ben ka ko ben tadini te ka ko be right nam right kone tere wejen winami ano kata dana na malad je keje wajen anyen wara ka jawrana chalat ajani package koron kin dangaro wi de bakel wo koron kin dangaro wi de bangwan ka jom chakula lat netin content ka Greater Pibor administrative area kinit content ka Pibor la netin content la murle ne tela gad no re lakan kanang jo chikalat gwasame kenen nyame shale bora nyame teke shemani gad mane kenen kona payanyo dia kenen nyame ka jene ka tela tok mitetin mandana lade kenen kene ka korge me chine chi mani ne ka contact chi man dien gwada dan bara ro thin wajen jaje chenga jek shawda men dana chi kwen ko wate ka gadangro te gadangro. Yes, te gadangro jen te ka gadangro kan gadangro to awa ka garut ka manan te ka je chi yo ga kan shawda je shu jen ka bom jaroda barol nuare chi murlen jala do ne mi yen dong chi tok kan gad man kan de gan manten dabu ka kel wuda me kana nyama dabu ka kel ka wuda diena me diena nen dong te ka resembling it thought nyaman pai kona nen chi nyen nuare chi kan jo mo chi kana lat kana nyama ne anyam murleka dundo cha yo confuse rei wujin winemi e jene nyen nuara me sha woch ki mi cha nang ka jo mi kan lat gwas me goro de kwen ba. Clarification statement regarding the women claiming abduction from Greater Akobo. To Akobo County Local Government Authority. This statement is issued to provide clarification regarding the young women who recently claimed to have been abducted from Greater Akobo during violent raid between 2006 and 2009. After thorough inquiry and confirmation from credible sources within the Greater Pibor administrative area, we wish to inform you that the woman in question is not from Greater Akobo. As claimed, she is in fact a Murle by origin with identifiable and traceable family members currently residing in Lokomash and nearby areas in Pibor. Her biological mother and sibling are alive, and notably, one of her brothers is presently available and willing to assist in verifying her identity. These facts contradict the narrative that she was abducted as a child from Akobo and case serious doubt on the motive behind a recent claim. A remove for claim is based on gender-based violence. Attached are photos of his brother Cole Oleyo Simon. We respectfully request that this matter be handled with care and integrity, and that any further action involving this case be based on verified information rather than unconfirmed testimonies. It is important to protect both the dignity of the community and the truth. We encourage the Akobo County authorities to coordinate with the GPAA administration to establish a joint investigation, if necessary, to ensure full clarity and avoid further damage to community relations. Thank you for attention and commitment to justice and truth. Jo shaling jo mishiben ka Greater Pibor administrative area and wo shega dana ci kontour de nen gwadame wajen shinyan nuara duno jen nyamurale wajen cha kwen wudodien kuduna le laben ko shaga ka chemane jo mo sha kwen mo gorno de nywaka yekel nono a ci kon dam man chan kanen gwasame batur dam man baje nywaka yekakel wudame dam man Adaman nyame kwale kwich michet tukien ka do bete ka kelone ki de kono sholidi so mi kon gwi kon tukien no ka gwi kon wumkien wankien wona ka miamkien I don't know, but me a togola o en ken en nyame ken damani and o dong mi ka ne de mar dio je ba je proof a Greater Pibor administrative area. So jen nana gode nywa yekel ka tada na chalat ke jen wo ci nyame chal chi nyan wari nyamur leni ani biatika mal ban jigum do dien bye bye.